Hey guys, it's Crypto Jet. I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified of new videos. My backup channel is also on Odyssey. That's odyssey.com/CryptoJetta. You can also follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/CryptoJetta. And you can also go to my website, cryptojetta.com, where I will have my DeFi strategies, my current crypto plays. I just recently added my Drip Network Journey to Riches blog on here, so that way you can follow me on my journey to this project here. I just added this here yesterday. You can also watch the video that I dropped yesterday on this about my journey with Drip Network. But anyway, today it's another week, new week I guess you could say, of my analysis on Bitcoin and popular altcoins. So let's talk about it. So as you can tell, I drew out this little wedge pattern for the past. It's been like this for the past couple weeks. It's just been in this consolidation phase. Now I know if you look on the weekly chart for Bitcoin, you can see that if this candle closes out in 6 hours, this will end the streak of downtrend movements that we had with Bitcoin. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 weeks of just constant downtrends, right? So now, like I said, we got like 6 hours left on this candle. If it closes out as a red candle, then we may potentially see a reversal, or we might not. But if, like I said, if we go on this daily here and check out the past week here, as you can see, since let's look at the calendar here, May 29th. All right, so this was the start of the week on this past week here, right? And just within the next day, crypto just stormed its way up from around about 29,000 all the way up into, at one point, 31, 32,000, right? Making this lower high. Let me turn that off. Then, pretty much it was just testing this little resistance zone area that I drew out, right? Then it went on its way back down. Now it's for the last couple of days after that, it's just been consolidating, which is what it's doing right now, just consolidating yet still again. And like I said, it's been like this for several weeks now. I say like 3 weeks of just consolidation action. And I'm gonna say what I said last week. It's gonna do either three things. It's gonna go up to this upside here, maybe eventually break this resistance zone here that I drew out, or it's gonna continue to this consolidation phase and just continue over here to the right, or maybe eventually it may break the support level right here that I have right here on this blue line here, which is like 28,000, and continue to the downside. We don't know. We just have to continue to wait and see how it plays out. Same thing with ETH here. I have that same support and resistance zones here. Right? Same thing with Cardano. At one point, you thought it was gonna break out this zone here, but you're not forgetting that I have this little wedge here drawn out, and it rejected it. So now it's just consolidating right here between these two zones here that I have drawn out. Right now, Cardano is 57 cents. Right now, ETH is around 1,800. AVAX pretty much the same thing. Early on in the week, it was around $27, and now it dropped back down to around 24, cause just in that consolidation phase with the same wedge pattern. We don't know what crypto is gonna do. BNB, pretty much the same thing. It's stuck between these two zones right here. This green resistance zone and this gray support zone. we're just waiting to see what if it's gonna do a breakout. Now, if we check out the lagging span on the daily, you can see that the lagging span, this purple line right here, is in between price, which means it's a consolidation phase. So we still might continue to see consolidation action, even though the price is below the cloud on the daily. So it's still kind of bearish. We're still in the bear market. So same thing with Ethereum, same thing with Cardano, AVAX, BNB. So like I said, guys, there's not much going on. It's pretty much another boring week of just boring price action. We need some type of news or something to happen, or we might even need Elon Musk to say something with crypto, to say something about crypto to help, spark up. Let's see, spark up things, But like I said, let's check out cryptobubbles.net. And like I said, if we check out the daily here, nothing much going on, guys. It's just maybe, as you can see, there's the new Luna token right here that I'm not going to participate in. Hex is down 11%. The coins that's basically going up, they're looking pretty good today, is Link, and then we have AVAX, Algorand, HBAR, a little bit of Cake, TRX. But like I said, it's just small gains, guys. But even during the week, if you check out the weekly, the only thing that really looked really good was Waves. And then we click on it for the past week. Last week, it was around $4.31. Today, it's around. Actually, I lied. Last week, no, I'm right. But last week, right around this time, May 29th, it was $4.35. It hit a high of $10.63 4 days ago. Right now it's around $8.46 or $8.40. I don't know what really happened. Probably something that happened in the news for it to jump. Let's see these tokens. Let's check out their Twitter. So this might be some bullish news here. Waves Enterprise goes open source and launches DAO. That's all I can really see. I don't know full details of why it jumped up so high like that. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a quick analysis with you guys. Like I said, we have to wait and see what crypto does. But right now, it's still in this boring consolidation phase. And it's been like this for the past 3 weeks or more. So, but anyway, guys, let me go ahead and get ready and go. You guys have a wonderful start of the week, and I'll see you later.